Hello everybody. Today I'll be showing you how to plant cherries from seeds. As you can see, this is a cherry seed outside of the shell. I have pretty much taken the hard shell outside. I broke it with some pliers, and this is the soft seed inside. And the first step is, most people just take this seed and they plant it directly into the little container so it can start growing. But I don't know if you can see from the video, the seed does have a thin outer layer. It's like a protective, like almost like a skin type layer. And normally what I do is I take the layer off first. Over time, I have learned that that gives a way better result when trying to germinate the seed. And what I do is pretty simple. I take a regular small plate, a paper towel, and I fold it, and I add the seed, and you fold it again. Simple as that. And then you add water. I have to add some water real quick. As you can see, I have added the water. I added an extra little bit so the seed can be completely soaked, as well as the napkin. Then after you do that, you just stick it in the refrigerator for about, I normally stick it from anywhere from 3 to 5 days. That gives it plenty of time. And if the water evaporates, I'll just add more water and keep it in there 3 to 5 days. And then after that, I'll show you what happens next. So stay tuned. All right, and step 2, after you have your seed sitting in the refrigerator for a couple days, it will look like this. If I can get it open. Let me take it out real quick. All right, and here's the seed. As you can see, it has the outer skin has cracked. And now what we're going to do is we're going to peel the skin so it becomes completely white. All right, and now after you peel the skin, you will have a seed like this one. And this helps it germinate a lot faster because there's not the actual seed preventing it. And we also took off the outer skin, so it will make it germinate a lot faster. And now what I do, I simply take one of my growing containers and just put the seed in there, just like that. Take my spoon, cover it, tap it down a little bit, and that's it. Now I simply put this in a warm spot. I just leave it by this part right here because it gets a little bit of sun, and that's how you germinate cherry seeds in your own house. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll keep you posted once this baby sprouts and we plant it outside in a bigger container. See you in the next video.